Hey everybody, I'm Jason Catrone, your country crooner.
And I'm Gage Brownie, and we are here in Printer's Alley because we are doing Sidewalk Karaoke, y'all.
Come with us now.
Let's go!
Hey, would you guys like to do some karaoke?
Karaoke?
No? All right, here we go. We got somebody. Come on. What's your name?
We got somebody.
Noah.
Noah, where are you from?
West Virginia.
Both of you together? What's your name?
Bunny.
Bunny. Okay.
I see what's going on here. I see what's going on here.
Okay, we're going a little off script here,
Going
okay?
a little off script.
So you're going to sing Dinosaur by Hank Williams.
Dinosaur. Yep.
No music.
Acapella. Acapella. Give us what you got, Cam.
Hey man, them ain't high heel sneakers. And they sure don't look like cowboy boots. That ain't rock and roll you're playing. And it sure don't sound like rhythm and blues.
Yeah, hey,
That's all
Noah!
he
Everybody
got.
get up for Noah! Noah brought it. You know how we would never forget Noah's name? How? It was written right here on his face. Do you all want to do some karaoke? No, do you want to sing a karaoke with us? It's going to be fun. It's a game. Give us your name. What's your name?
Margie.
Margie? Where are you from, Margie?
Delaware.
Oh, Delaware. First Delawareans today. Is that right, Delawarean?
I'm Russ.
Russ and Margie. Okay, here's the game. In this shaker's a name. You're going to pull out a name, and his shaker is a song. You're going to try to sing the song like the artist you pull out. Okay? So here we go. You pull the name.
Dolly Parton.
We got another Dolly Parton.
Dolly Parton.
All right. Dolly Parton, you get the song.
Happy birthday.
Oh, that's okay. Here we go.
Sing Happy
There we
Birthday.
go. Happy
like Dolly
birthday
Parton.
like Dolly Parton. You get the mic.
A 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Jason.
Jason. Happy birthday to you.
Woo, yeah.
Fantastic. That little note bend she did on birthday, that was Dolly. You crushed
on
that.
it.
You crushed
You're a
that.
star.
Thank you all for joining us.
Thank you,
Hope had
guys.
fun on Sidewalk Karaoke.
Yes, that's
Guys, this is harder than it looks, but look for us on the streets of Nashville. I'm Jason Catrone,
And I'm Gage Brownie.
and we are doing some Sidewalk Karaoke.
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-bow.